Welcome back. If you're new here, we are a family of 4 with basically no sailing experience who bought a boat and have learnt everything along the way. I'm just going to pause for a minute to enjoy this clip from when we first moved aboard. It gives you a pretty good idea of what it's really like. How you going, babe?
Yeah, good.
What are you doing?
Boat job 3048. I'm halfway through another job. I'm just doing another job.
Sweet.
With kids.
With kids. Vinny's in there playing with tools.
Hey, excuse me.
Wren's here
Back inside that thing,
testing the boundaries.
I don't want any...
Being told not to do that and then she does anyway.
No steering, Wren. No. 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 Come on.
This has happened about 6 times now.
No. Up down.
Wren, say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. We want to show you a realistic view of what it is really like living on a sailboat with 2 young children. And it's not easy, but it can be done. Season 2 has been a blast so far. Once the cyclone season is over, leaving Hervey Bay with our new buddy boat Pacific Star has been a game changer. We get to travel together and have friends along the way. As we sail, snorkel and fish up the east coast of Queensland, we have made it to Early Beach so far. There are heaps of adventures to come, so please subscribe if you like our videos. We just left Hamilton Island and we're heading out the channel, like to the southern end, so that gives us a better wind angle to sail to Whitehaven. But geez, it looks a bit rough at that channel there. You can see the whitecaps. We're kind of protected by this headland at the moment. Some pretty wild waves just here. Holy moly! Oh, nothing like leaving the nice calm marina and then into this 10 minutes later. This is where sailor stays when it's rough. Literally just washed the boat so nicely at the marina. Oh, now we're in this chop chop. Come on, Taylor.
Halfway off.
At Whitehaven! Woohoo!
For the record, we didn't catch this at Whitehaven.
No, green zone here, but we caught it on the way here and we're just filleting it now. So
Fully not green zone area where we caught it.
100%. Cheese! Vinny walked all the way to Chance Bay. How'd you go, Vin? Good? You did very well. What's going on here, Vin? What? No, put the sand down.
Sand just got a bubble down.
No, that's for when we get back. It's our little hiking incentive. 85% dark chocolate. We get some when we get here and when we get back again. Vinny walked all the way here. Wren didn't. She was in the backpack the whole time.
I got it. We've just left Whitehaven. Well, this is all Whitehaven. All the way up. There's Hill Inlet there. We're just going to go around the corner into Tongue Bay. What are we going to do, Vin?
Fly the drone.
While what?
Send speeders.
We're going to fly the drone while we're sailing, apparently. So anyway,
Wonder if it will
this
work.
could be the end.
So if you're not seeing really cool drone footage right now, it's because we lost the drone. Alright? I'm putting gloves on, I've got long sleeve on, I'm nervous.
Look out, Vin.
You should have fired this.
Oh, I should have flied it.
Was it coming at your Vin?
Here you go. Maybe go down the back, Vin.
Go.
Oh, well, I want to watch.
Well, you watch, but get ready to run.
I saw you don't fly.
Head down. Oh, see you, David. Whoa, good job.
So you crash landed a drone.
So we're just at Tongue Bay and we're gonna go for a walk, maybe?
Is that one?
Through to Hill Inlet.
Hill Inlet.
We're going on an adventure?
Adventure? Hey,
No, they're not here.
we're on a mooring. There's plenty of moorings in here. Heaps. We've got this tiny little entrance with these poles. Oh, bommies. These are the bommies.
A video here.
Okay, well you're videoing yourself at the moment. Turn it around. Turn it around, you can see on the screen what you're videoing. Ready? Day 2, walking at Tongue Bay, going to Hill Inlet. I think I'll hold it. Hey babe,
Oh, good go.
what'd you just tell me?
No publishing budgie smuggler shots without my prior consent.
Look at the reef, it looks so nice. Vinny's on his board. We've got the kayak. Sailor wants to come, but it's probably not going to happen.
Cracker-Warren and Hook Passage. It's just real glassy and nice.
But we can take our mini bowl over there.
Take our mini boat over there, you reckon? What do you reckon, Wren? Nice morning?
Dada.
Good.
Vinny, what are we doing this morning? Vin,
No, hiking.
hiking. What are we doing, Wren?
Hiking.
Hiking.
Oh, get out.
We're going to go on a hike. I think it's the Whitsundays Cairn Hike. There's our boat there on the mooring, and Dion's just drove the tender back and he's going to bring the kayak because it's a really rocky beach and the tide is going out. And we don't want our tender to look like that up on the rocks. So yeah, we'll see how this hike goes. I think it's about 4 kilometers return. What do you reckon, Vin? Do you reckon you'll be able to do it?
I'm hurt, probably no.
You're hurt, probably no. Vinny literally got to the beach and then fell over on the rocks, so we'll see how that goes. Woohoo, let's go!
Come in.
Hey look, this might be the itchy bush. Oh,
How you going, babe?
Don't look at me. I'm such a mess.
We're getting there.
Did I touch the sea bush?
Don't think so. How you going, Vin?
Is this the itchy bush, Dion?
Don't know. Anyone?
Anyone?
Is
Is
that
that?
the Ishi Butch?
It's like
Ishi Butch.
the butcher.
How's your sweat going, Vin?
I just want my sweat go away.
We've now entered the grassy area.
Woohoo! Look at that! Oh my gosh!
I can also just
This is amazing. Whoa, we can see like all the way around this island.
Hang on.
So our boat is all the way down there. Alright, we finished our hike. It took us about 4 hours. Wren, hop down please. That's dangerous. Down. It is dangerous, young lady. Wren's sick. Just gonna throw the mooring. Pacific Star, we are starting our engines.